In today's class, we will be learning the topic, maintenance of computer. Maintenance is highly essential in order to prolong its contributing functionality. Software maintenance. The maintenance of programs inside the computer system such as virus, a spyware removal, backup software and a registry removal, cleaner. Every PC should be installed with an antivirus, a spyware removal application backup and a registry cleanser. Types of software maintenance. Corrective maintenance fixes issues like errors, crashes, or freezing in software during its use. Perfective maintenance enhances software functionality, speed, and interface for improved performance. Adaptive maintenance adjusts software to accommodate changes in hardware or other software programs. Preventive maintenance proactively prevents potential issues and ensures software stability and compatibility through testing. Benefits of software maintenance. Regular maintenance keeps your computer reliable and fast. Tools like cleaner and disk defragmented optimize performance. Routine cleanups prevent slowdowns and fragmentation. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.